Welcome to this new episode, and today we are doing something different. Here we are unboxing the AirPods Pro. So this is the AirPods Pro second generation, and here we're going to take a look at everything we have in the box. And in the next few days, we'll be discussing how to get the best out of this particular AirPods Pros. So if you have the AirPods second generation, or if you are planning to buy the AirPods Pro, then this video will prepare your mind for what you're actually going to meet in the AirPod box. There are two AirPods here. We have the right and the left, and this is how it looks. Now, when you buy this new AirPod Pro, there are two seals here, Apple seals, that you need to tear before you can actually open the AirPod Pro. So I thought this when I first got this. So if you are buying an Apple AirPod Pro and there is no seal, so you couldn't find the seal here, it's probably one of the reasons to know that the Apple AirPod Pro you buy is fake. Now, let's go ahead now and open this. Right on the Apple AirPod package is the manual, and this manual comes in films. So we have different manuals here. Then we have this. This is the first manual. We also have this. So these manuals are written in different languages. So if you are an English speaker, just need to locate the English manual in the box and then check through it. So there are 4 manuals in the box: 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the AirPod Pro has 4 manuals. You see that? So first thing you are going to see in the AirPod Pro package is the manual. So and that is this. Then the AirPod Pro itself. So this is how it's going to look. Now open it. We have 2 AirPods Pro right inside the package. So there is a left and there is right AirPod Pro. So this is the right and this is the left. So you should see it written right and left. That is L and R. And then there is an indication here that the AirPod Pro is working. That's why you see the green indication. And at the back here, there is a button here, probably the reset button. So there is a button here, this button. So we'll talk about this button later when we review this AirPod Pro on this channel. So you just want to stick around. Then, still in the box, I have the charger. So it's a Type-C connector alongside the AirPod Pro. Inside the package as well, we also have the keyboard cover. So there are about 6 of them. So we have 6. This. So we have the AirPod cover. So if one damages, you can easily replace it with this. Or if it is not firm into your ear, you can choose between this. There is large, there is X, and there is extra large. So in the AirPod Pro on box, we have the AirPod cover, we have the charger, we have the AirPod Pro itself, this, and lastly, we have the manual. There you go. So if you're planning to buy AirPod Pro any moment from now, these are probably what you're going to meet in the package. So in the next video, we'll talk extensively on how to get the best out of your AirPod Pro. So if this is helpful, you want to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.